everybody, welcome to my channel English Easy Learn. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic which everybody must know and follow. That is, using plastic is good or bad. What will be your opinions? Obviously, yes, exactly, we will tell using plastics is not good for health and the environment. But what to do? In the society, in the cities, everywhere people use plastics. We cannot tell 100% using plastic is bad. But we can reduce using the plastics. That will help us to live healthy and the clean surroundings. But here, the lesson tells us using plastic is very bad. Yes, here we are going to discuss about how the two children are learning about the plastics, the usage of plastics. That is Seema and Samir. One day, Seema and Samir went to buy fruits. After returning from the market, they went to the table, dining table, to keep the fruits on the table. Immediately, mother spoke to them. Seema and Samir, don't keep the plastic bags here and there. Please put the plastic bag in the cupboard. So, when mother said this, immediately Samir answered to Seema, yes, we should not throw the plastic bags here and there because it's very light. It will fly in the air and it will dirty the places. So we should not throw the plastic bags. So that's the reason mother is asking us to keep the plastic bags in the cupboard. So mother looked and smiled at this conversation between Samir and Seema. She answered, yes, you're right, Samir. We should not throw the plastic bags. The plastic bags will destroy the plants around us. These plastic bags will not allow the water or air to get into the root. The plants will find it very difficult to absorb the water because the plastic bags will not allow them to absorb. When mother said this word, immediately Seema asked, yes, if it is so, let me throw this bag in the garbage. So let me throw this bag in the drainage. So mother said, no, don't do this. This is very, very dangerous. If you throw these plastic bags in the drain, you think the water cannot flow freely. The water will get destroyed. The water will get polluted. The animals which live in water will die because of this plastic. This plastic will not only harm the animals, but also it will block the water flow from the river or from the lake or pond or drain. So when mother explained this, again Seema said, she was thinking and asked, okay, let me burn this all plastics. So there will not be any problem for the plants and the water animals. Mother looked at her and said, Seema, again you're telling and thinking the way to throw the plastic in a wrong way. We should not burn the plastic. It's another dangerous to the environment and also it will harm the people, animals, plants, everything around us. Seema was shocked and Samir also looked at mother and they were thinking, then what shall we do? What's the harm we are going to get if we burn the plastic? If we burn the plastic, what will get? How are we going to get affected? Mother again smiled at them and she started to explain, yes dears, if we burn the plastic, the air will get polluted. The whole place will get polluted. The plastic burns gives us a bad smell. If we inhale that, if we breathe or if we inhale the smoke, that toxic smoke, that is poisonous smoke, our lungs will get damaged. We will fall in sick. Our health will get sick because we are breathing the toxic air. Because these plastics, if we burn, it will give a bad smell to us. Burning of plastics will give very bad smell that will harm us when we breathe. It not only affects human beings but also animals, birds, human beings, everything. So we should not burn them. So Seema and Samir again, they confused and asked, "Yes, mommy, you're asking us not to throw in the water, not to throw in the drain, not to throw in the around the places, and also you're not allowing us to burn the plastic. Then what shall we do with this plastic? How we have to use this plastic? Please explain." We are really got confused with this plastic. When the children asked these questions to mother, again mother was very clear to explain how to use the plastics. She said, "Yes, children, it's very important to use the plastic again and again. We have to reuse the plastic. We should not use more plastics. We should not use plastic and throw it and we should take another one. Just if we have one plastic bag, we have to use the plastic bag again and again for the more time. Reuse the plastic so it will reduce the harming of people, our surroundings, our environment." We cannot stop using the plastic because there are things, for example, bucket, mug, toothbrush. Yes, these all made out of plastics. For example, this bangles. Yes, these things are made out of plastics. We cannot be without using plastics. But what we have to do? We have to use them again and again. We have to recycle and we have to reuse them to reduce the plastic. So when she explained, the children were very happy and they came to know how to use plastics and how to preserve the plastics. And later on, mother gave a very good idea to bring vegetables or fruits or whatever from the shop. She told them we have to use the cloth bag. Cloth bag. Yes, there are cloth bags. We have to use the cloth bags to buy the materials. That will help us to use again and again. When we are going to buy something, we have to carry cloth bag with us and we have to get the things from the shop. We should not ask the shopkeeper to give the plastic bags. We have to carry the cloth bags with us to buy vegetables, fruits or grocery, clothes, whatever may be. So the children were very happy and they said, "Yes, mom, we understood the usage of plastic and the dangerous thing, the use of plastic. We have learned many things about the usage of plastics. Yes, now we know the bad usage of plastics." The same thing I am telling to you also, those who are there, those who are listening to me. The using of plastic is not good for the health and the environment. We have to avoid using of plastics. We cannot stop completely, we cannot stop them, but anyhow we have to reduce, we have to use the plastic again and again in our day-to-day life. This lesson is giving very good information to us, the usage of plastics. So it's my kind request, whenever you see the plastics around you, please pick and put it in the bin. So you will also be aware of using the plastics. Yes, like Samir and Seema, let's also know about the usage of plastics, how it is very dangerous to us and also to the environment.
It's very happy news for all of us. Our Indian government is going to ban the usage of one-time using plastics. So it's going to be implemented from coming July 1st, that is 2022, July 1st onwards.
Thank you for listening to me.